Assalamualaikum everyone. There's one message that I want to bring into your into your focus, and that is on the private. I said I'll make a private video on why you have to remain here for the major part of 2024. February and March will be your buying months. Rest of the year you'll be reaping off good profits. There's logic to this, and I'll show you a bet if you disagree. So if you want to know how to get into this private for February, because tomorrow I'm going to open up the entries, message how on this video, just comment how, and I'm going to give you the details. Thing is that we're talking this, don't take this lightly. The potential I see with the discovery I do have some few coins I'm planning on buying, and those may actually give off like even 3, 4, 5x we're talking about. So basically buying $100 can actually turn into 500. Yes, it's going to take time, but I'm actually looking at how that market is going to be looking like in 2024. So there's something that I'm going to post on the private, and you're only going to be able to see once you join. So do be a part of it. Thing is, on the Pepe side of things, Pepe has not started the real dump just yet. I've talked about a bear flag in yesterday's video. Now this bear flag does actually bring Pepe down to 1036, right? And for today it does look like when you went down, you're making another continuation pattern right there, and this actually can take Pepe further more down, and we're looking at that technical target. So yes, I do think 1024 is about to be met, right? Now once you meet that technical target, when you go to 1024, keep in mind one thing is that you still are not going to be breaking this support. You have one support move up, one touch move up, one touch, wick down, another touch here, and you're coming down again. So it doesn't really mean that Pepe from this point onwards may continue lower unless you don't see Pepe coming down to 962. So honestly, I do expect that Pepe is going to come down to 962 and eventually take 962 from there, retest, and actually drop even lower. But this may be the final drop you ever see. I kind of think that this drop, if it happens, and I wouldn't mind it happening for some few reasons. You see, there's something good about it. There's always something good about the market going down. Yes, it's bad if you're in a trade. I understand that logic where you have your money stuck and you probably are looking for liquidation, but that's not the point. Point is, on a bigger picture, sometimes, yes, it's important for the market to actually go down so that those whales who are looking to buy can buy lower and push it up for a nice, good, big profits, right? If you're looking for institutional traders to buy, they really need cheap prices, and that's how you really have to think. You must think of having cheap prices. So basically, one way to really help you out with this one is to tell you the RSI. So if you look at the RSI, let the RSI just go from the middle point, from the 41 level, let it actually drop down to 21, or maybe even makes a new low to 15. Between 20 and 15 is going to be the best place to actually get into Pepe. If it does actually range down there, I may actually even give this call on the Discord. And I've been saying that the real dumps haven't begun just yet. Okay, this is a message today. Yes, I was expecting this dump to happen for a long time. I've told you in the videos, but the thing is that it hasn't even happened. Nothing has happened. You still have this pattern, which is right angle ascending broadening wedge, this one right there, and this still has a technical target when it breaks in the future, and you're looking for 624, pretty much the very same place where you picked up previously. You come down here, consolidate. I think that's a wonderful entry once again. And who knows, on a bigger picture, you may be looking at a double bottom here and break above and finally just push away for good somewhere down the road. Not really bad, isn't it? So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. I love it.